Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video you'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and I'll discuss one stock as well which I see can give a good up move in near short term. So the stocks which I'm discussing is basically based, it's not a basically what you can take tomorrow and sell it day after tomorrow or something, where I see a short term trade in that particular stock. So I give a target for that and I give a strict stop loss as well for that particular stock. So you have to be very cautious while taking that, and you can do your own research study as well before taking any stocks. So let's start the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if I talk about Nifty, so as today you can see that there was a good kind of sell off in Nifty, and it has broken a major support level of 16,000 and it has come to 15,960 levels. So important support zone for Nifty will be 15,900 levels for tomorrow, which if it breaks then we can see more sell off in Nifty. And tomorrow, given the condition that tomorrow we can have some, because today the inflation data news is coming up in the US as well, so that might impact our markets. But given that it's again, people know about it, it's a factored news, so let's see how much it impacts. But you have to be cautious while taking your positions and as well as intraday positions for tomorrow as well. So these are the levels for on the downside. On the upper side, if I talk about the now, Nifty has to cross like 16,150 levels at least before you create any long position in Nifty in the intraday for tomorrow. So this is the position for Nifty, so you have to be cautious, as I mentioned, regarding there is an event. So please look at these levels and then create your own positions. Now if I talk about Bank Nifty, so the Bank Nifty is if I talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also we saw a good down move in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty also had broken its 35,000 major support level, and it almost closed at 34,800 level, which was the another support for Bank Nifty, but it respected this support. But given the condition, if tomorrow it breaks 34, that is what I'm looking, 750 levels for tomorrow in the intraday, we can create more short position in Bank Nifty and we can see a more sell off in Bank Nifty. And if we get a gap down in Bank Nifty at this level, around this level, then also we can create a short position given the condition the Bank Nifty sustains that level. Similarly, talking on the top side, so on the upper side, at least Bank Nifty have to cross 35,250 before we create any long position in Bank Nifty for intraday. And given tomorrow is an expiry, so we have to create positions accordingly, because there can be a sudden up move or down move in that, because market remains quite volatile and we can see that kind of volatility in the market. And given there is a news as well, so this will be the level. And on the top, why I have marked this level, that Bank Nifty will turn into bullish when we cross 35,550 levels. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now let's see a stock for which we can take in a short term. So this is one of the stock which I have identified. So this is ADANI Enterprises. So this if we talk, so this stock have already been above 200 DMA. So what we can think of this one, that you can do an entry but with a stop loss of 2290. That is what I'm looking for, and I'm thinking that this stock might cross 25,400 and above. So you have to keep a strict stop loss, that's what I mentioned. And it's not about like taking tomorrow and selling it off day after tomorrow. It's a short term stock, so it can be for a week or two if your stop loss doesn't hit. So this is what is for the stock. So thank you everyone, and I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe to the channel as well. So thank you, see you again in my next video. Thank you.